Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by using your account. Sign in and navigate to profile, then purchases and memberships. Choose YouTube Premium because it removes ads across desktop, mobile, and TV while supporting creators. Once done, confirm billing and enable Family Plan if needed. This is the simplest, supported way to stop ads. It works immediately and preserves features like background play and downloads. Make sure to select the correct account and device region before subscribing so the subscription applies where you watch most. If you prefer not to subscribe, use a trusted browser extension such as uBlock Origin. Install it from your browser's official add-on store and enable it. Once installed, open the extension dashboard and turn on common filter lists like Easy List and uBlock filters to block most YouTube ads. You can whitelist specific channels to support creators and use the element picker to remove persistent overlays. Make sure to update the extension and filter lists regularly so new ad formats stay blocked. Finish by applying the chosen method across devices. Use Premium on mobile or set up DNS/system-level ad blocking for app traffic if you prefer ad-free without a subscription. Once done, verify ads are gone by playing several videos. If you still see ads, clear cache and cookies, disable other extensions, then restart the browser or app. Make sure extensions and the app are up to date. If issues continue, temporarily disable VPNs or proxies and test again. This often resolves filter or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.